Today, I'm going to be taking your taste buds around the world with a subscription box from Universal Yums. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, now you know that every once in a while I like to mix up the content, have a little bit of fun, and when Universal Yums reached out to me about trying one of their subscription snack boxes, I was all about it. Now, the snack subscription box features a new country or a new region each month, and so each month you are going to get a variety of things like chips and cookies and candies from that area of the country. So your box is going to also include a pamphlet inside of it that's going to explain a little bit about the country or a little bit about the region. It's also going to feature some fun things like games and stickers and stuff, so you can really make this a cool, fun family event. And I thought that it would be fun just to dig in here, show you guys what is inside this box, and then take a snack break and let's just try some of it. And again, this is one of the games that they've got in there. That's a fun, just kind of little puzzle game. Looks like a little trivia game, which is certainly fun if you want to do that. And then this is the little pamphlet that you're going to get inside of it. And it looks like we are in Taiwan this time. So all of the snacks are going to be from Taiwan. And this little booklet is super educational. If you've got kids, if you've got family members, this is something that's really, really cool. They've got some QR codes here where you can play different games, which I think is super, super cool. And they tell you kind of things like there's some trivia. They tell you about what's going on in the country right now, whether there's boat racing that's really popular. Looks like there's a rice eating dumpling contest. I think I could do that one just fine. And things like wearing silk ribbons and different things that are really fun and popular. And then it starts to talk about what the snacks are that you are going to get in your box. There's a lot of snacks in here. Did you see that? It's like 2 pages of snacks that are all inside this box. And then again, you start to learn things about their custom, like this is about the tea ceremony. And I think this is actually really cool. Now, Universal Yums gifted me this box. I did not pay for this box, and they're not paying for this video either. So I just, again, it looks like that's a sticker. And I just wanted to have fun with it. I wanted to try some of this, but look at all of the Universal Yummies that are in this box. All right, let's just jump into it because I'm excited, and I will try a little bit of each one and then, kind of give you my thoughts on it. Now, this first one is popcorn, and it's a spicy beef noodle popcorn. Now, I do like a lot of Asian food. In fact, I used to live in the Philippines. Many people don't know that. And so I tried a lot of different things. Otis, get away, buddy. Otis is down there like sliding up against the tripod and making it very rocky. So I don't want you to knock over this. All right, here's the popcorn. Let's see what's going on with the spicy beef noodle popcorn. That's really good. I could eat that whole bag, and I'm going to. I'm definitely going to. Well, this is fun. That was like a little thing that was in there. I don't know what this is. To me, it looks like something that Otis would like to play with. But I will read about that because I'm sure there's something in that pamphlet about that, but that's kind of cool. Right. These are pea crackers, and this is a lemon pink salt. That, that popcorn's getting spicier. So let's see what's going on with this. So lemon pea crackers, lemon pink salt pea crackers. That's what it looks like. Oh, that's good. It's kind of like a lemony, obviously. There's the salt in there. So it's kind of like a salty, sweet kind of mix. I'm kind of digging that. Okay. The next item up is pepper crackers. Pepper crackers. No idea. Pepper crackers. The snacks are sealed. Very good. should have brought my scissors. Yeah, just use my teeth. All right, so again, this is not a sponsored video other than that they sent me the free box of snacks. I think the subscription is around $25. I'll put it down on the screen just so you guys know. They're good. They taste kind of like a club cracker. Believe me, I know my snacks. Kind of like a club cracker, just with a pepper, kind of a scent or a taste. So these are yogurt biscuits. Let's try these. I'm telling you, this packaging is very strong. So the little yogurt cracker. That's pretty good. Kind of reminds me of like a little lemony shortbread kind of a thing. Let's see what else we've got. I want to try and stay like on the salty and then go into the sweeter stuff. Wheat soy crackers, and these are a Korean kimchi flavor. I had some kimchi not too long ago, and it was very, very spicy. So kind of good sized little cracker. Ooh, those are good. That has a really good flavor. I like those a lot. Now a candina potato fry. That is a cheese flavor. Go ahead and do this. This one I can open without having to use my teeth. Oh, this is a good size too. Check that out. Looks like a little French fry. That's good. It's got a really good cheese flavor to it. It oddly enough really does taste like a French fry. Okay. Now these are yogurt packets. I was saying woof because I guess I'm gonna have to like do it like that. There's two and they're both the same flavor, so I'll just do one. And then we got a pineapple soft cake left. We've got some wafer rolls that are cherry blossom flavor, and then some like little chocolates. I think I've had those chocolates before. All right, let's do this. I'm terrified of this. So we're just gonna peel it, and then we're going. Look, it matches my shirt. And then more chocolate. It's interesting. It's definitely a texture thing for me. It's like gelatin, but it's yogurt flavored, and it's peach flavored. So it's like kind of like, you know, those peach candies that you can get that have like little sugary kind of coating. They're like little jelly candies. Imagine one of those, but wet. It's kind of what it tastes like. I'm gonna do this little sponge or this pineapple soft cake and show you that. That's kind of cute. Looks like a little cake. It's got like almost like a Fig Newton, but it's pineapple flavor. Not bad, not bad. All right, we're gonna do one of these cherry blossom wafer rolls. I'm expecting this to be good. I would think the cherry blossom flavor is just a floral flavor or something. Here comes Otis again, so he may hit the camera. Buddy, you can't do that. I know you're trying to be a sweet boy. You can't do that. Because it wants to, you know, rub and cuddle up against the tripod, but it's not a very sturdy tripod. So, can't do that. Whoopsie, that one broke. Okay, that's kind of weird. Huh. Yeah, that one's a little weird. It does match my shirt. That's what it should look like. I grabbed one that was broken. It's hollow. I thought there'd be like a a little creamy center or something. But it's just kind of like a perfumey cookie. Like I don't know. It's not horrible. I'm gonna throw the box over there because I've only got this one left. It's kind of like eating a flower. I don't know how else to describe it. It would almost be. It wasn't quite savory dessert, but it wasn't quite a. Oh, it's weird. It's kind of like eating a flower, but not a horrible tasting flower. So that's what your little chocolates look like. They come in this little package. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4. These are there's that peanut. I use my teeth. There's a peanut on the outside, so I'm assuming it's kind of some kind of nougaty, you know, something. It is round, like a little chocolate ball, and right, we'll see. We're squishing. So it looks like coconut, but it's not. And then it's got like a peanut butter center, but that outside, that white part, I don't know what that is. What is that, like dessert rice kind of dumpling thing? The ice cream, is it Yoshi? Ice cream that you can buy like at Dollar Tree or somewhere like that. That's kind of what it is like on the outside. I like the peanut butter filling, but I'm not so sure about the gummy part. Like when you chew it all together, it's not bad. Hold on one second. All right, everybody, that is my. All right, that is my taste test from Universal Yums. It was a fun box. I wouldn't hate it if they sent me another box. I think it could be fun for maybe like, let's say somebody in the military, right, that has lived overseas, or maybe somebody that wants to travel overseas and just, you know, this is kind of a cool way to introduce them to some like different countries and stuff. I think the popcorn, the spicy beef noodle popcorn, is definitely my favorite one, and I will eat this. So check them out. Check out Universal Yums, and I'm gonna have a link in the description box below. Again, this is not a sponsored video, so there's no kind of like discount code or anything like that for you guys, at least not yet. Leave lots of comments. Maybe Universal Yums will see this and they will start sponsoring a video, and I think it'd be fun. I think it'd be fun to do something different. Woo! That spicy caught up to me in the back of the throat. All right, guys, that's my video for today. Just something a little silly, something a little different, and I've got some more DIYs and hauls and other fun stuff coming up very, very soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.